My name is Jason Magnus and I'm an endurance athlete. I just got done having a hip replacement, and one of the exciting things is that allowed me to sign up for events that I normally would not, because they're pretty much outside the scope of my expertise. And I'm out here to do a series of open water swims. I haven't swam since I was about 20 years old. So this is going to be exciting. For the next 3 days, I'm going to try to swim 11 kilometers to complete the Survivor.
We got a couple of people in the middle who need to back up about 2 feet. That's great. We have people on the far end who aren't anywhere near the start line. You can move forward.
Boom, check it out. Number 70. There's about 200 swimmers out here. I'm 3 races done, so I'm kind of excited. I'm really nervous. Got 2 more races tomorrow morning. The 3,000 meter was just incredibly long. Looking at the course, I thought I could never make it, and then they told me I had to do 2 laps. And tomorrow morning I have to do almost twice that with the 5,000. So I've been listening to post-apocalyptic child zombie book on tape, so I don't have to think about what comes every day in the morning. So it's kind of freaky out here in the forest. Chelsea and I are camping out by ourselves away from the other competitors.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
3,500 meters. Nice work, babe.
Really weird. Like I don't know how to use my legs anymore. Like I should just live in the water for now.
How'd your body feel?
It's so weird. I either go fast and my heart rate raises up and I feel like I'm gonna die,
Yeah.
or I just feel like I'm lazily swimming. I still don't know how to pace myself in that environment at all.
How'd the hip feel?
It felt fine. I mean, it was really interesting. Just the whole thing. I had some times where I was drafting with some people, like in a pack, for about the middle bit, and then I just was like alone in some weird place for the last, I don't know, half hour, just all by myself in this, I don't know, kind of surreal, meditative place. So it was fun, really fun.
Good job.
Thanks.